Hi guys, it's again June 14th, 2021, back for a review of Monday, June 14th. Today I want to look at a couple things. First I'm going to look at is our XL Moon Excel program that shows you where the market's moving. If you start here Sunday night and look at your green line went flat for a long time. Moon's slightly moving up and peaks out right here, and we get this little peak up here in the market. Moon starts to come back down. Green line's going up slightly, but not a lot of anything. When we get to right here, this is the peak of the green line. At that point, we're always looking from here to here is going to be a peak or start to head back down, and we start to come back down. We follow this path pretty good. Down in here is where the green line makes its low for the day, and the moon is correlating right in here with it. At that point, the moon turns and starts to go back up in the overnight hours, and looks like maybe here at 22:20 or somewhere here around 23:20, the moon's gonna make its high, and looks like the green line, even though it's flat, we could be pulling back in here into tomorrow's action. We'll look a little bit further into the week. The green lines are staying pretty flat. I see a bottom in here. They both correlate real well to, it's going to be the lowest point. That'll be on the 15th tomorrow at about anywhere from about 15:49 right here at the end of the regular session to about 16:15 or so. We make a bottom, and then we start moving up from there to the overnight hours. Looks like the green line is really going to start taking us up to 16th, and I really haven't looked in depth. Let's see what we got for the 18th, 17th. Still moving up from that low tomorrow afternoon's low, and moves all the way up and could finish really on Friday at a high. You got the blue line peaking, and you got the green line up here at its highest level for the week. So for the whole week, it looks like a pretty good little setup. So tomorrow, and like I've mentioned before, I'm not giving financial advice. We don't do that, but this is how I'm going to look at it tomorrow, and probably how I'm going to trade this tomorrow. I'm going to look at this time here around 4 p.m. tomorrow, and then maybe if I want to take this on a swing position, this might last all week, and at least for the next 3 or 4 days, maybe even into Monday of next week. Looks like we're hitting a peak next Monday, and that's how I'm looking at trading this. The other chart I got, I'll review just a little bit of pH chart. Should be right here. Today is Monday, the moon day. Here's our standard. The red arrows are our standard moves. This was a pretty decent little move, not much points, low volatility early in the morning. If you would have took a short on this one would have been a little bit better. You could have played that down quite a bit for 3 or 4 hours down into this area. This next red line and red arrow, they're all this one here timed out pretty decent to when the market really exploded here late this afternoon at 3:30. I went ahead and put these blue arrows on here. This is again, this is a blue day, moon day. So we've got, I look at all the ends of all the moon subperiods here, and if you look at these all time out really well all day long. They're short moves, but some days you get big moves off the same points. Instead of moving 5-7 points, you're getting 10-20 points off of them. So it's just one of them things I watch close. I'll be back tomorrow with an update, and we'll see how that moon chart works out for tomorrow.